Hey everybody, Barry Mankin here with Four Corners Environmental. I don't even know what to say. Um, I'm in a crawl space, obviously, again. So it's what we do. Um, these people, this customer is immune compromised. A poor lady has mycotoxins in her system. They've had a history of flooding. They've got history of flooding in this crawl space. They've got a history of a fire from the garage, and she's sick. And we've had a local doctor that has tested her blood and urine for mycotoxins, which shows high. We're here to make sure that it's either a source from the house or not. Recently, they've had a certain company come in here that was not related to who we usually recommend to do ductwork cleaning. I'm not going to say the company's name, but it's a common HVAC company. They send kids out here to do ductwork cleaning and sanitization. With the history of these ducts, technically these ducts should have been replaced. I can see mold in the ducts from the registers upstairs on the first floor. They've done other things to add to the system, like a HEPA vac system in line, which, you know, is fine, sort of, sometimes, not in this case. And then they charge them for ductwork cleaning. Not all ductwork cleaning is the same. Enviro Pro is the only company we recommend, and this is one of the reasons why, okay? Number one, they had the ductwork cleaning and there's still mold and debris in the ducts, in the registers. Now I'm in the crawl for the first time. What's the first thing I see? You see the movement of that cobweb blowing in the wind? You see the movement? You see how that main duct is completely off at the main? And they left it this way. So now you're getting all the crawl space and the outside air influence, compromising the system that they just cleaned anyway, making it worse. Much less higher relative humidity, etc. And this dehu they threw down here is running like crazy because it can't keep up. So all they're doing is blowing air in here from the main. They're losing energy. I just can't, there's so many things. This stuff makes me so angry. If you get your ducts cleaned, only use Enviro Pro. I've never seen another company do it right other than them. And I know I'm, you know, whatever. I don't care. He's the best. I want people to have healthy homes, and these guys aren't doing it. So let's get another company to do it right. Okay? All right. Sorry, I'm just mad. See ya.